Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to block out times on Calendly. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to calendly.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, register if you already don't have an account. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the event recreate button, event types, scheduled events, upgrade plan, and the admin center. And also in the top right corner, we have everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and block out times on Calendly. So it is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps guys to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, you have for the first step is to navigate to Calendly. So basically go to the Calendly page and then click on the availability. So when you're here, as you can see, it is in the bottom left corner underneath the upgrade plan. Click on the availability button. When you clicked on it, now click on add a date override. So basically what you need to do is click on to add a date override. After that guys, what you need to do is select the dates you want to block. So basically here you can go and see which dates you want to block and then select your time availability during those days. Click apply, and that's basically how you can do it guys. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Bye guys.